Leslie here with another line dance to teach you. It's called Love Potion 666 and the music is by DJ T-E-X-X, DJ Tex. The choreographer is Fowler. It's a lovely two-wall, a beginner improver dance. No tags, no restarts. So let's get to it. Here we go. Turn around to face the front. I am going to take 2 walks forward. 1, 2, and then I'm going to do step together step. Right, left, right. And then I'm going to do a rock, recover, and then I'm going to turn 180 degrees with a step together step. So just going sideways so you can see this better. It's walk right, walk left. The step together step is step together step. Left foot free for a rock, recover, and then I'm going to turn over my left shoulder, step together step. Now step together step, we also call a shuffle step. All right, so let's do that one more time. We have walk, walk, shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, step. Yes? One more time with the counts. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to repeat all that except the shuffle with the turn. We're going to go forward, right, left, the step together step, step together step, that's right, left, right. The rock recover is left, right, and then we're going to do a coaster step, which is back, together, front. Let me show you that again. Left leg goes back, the right leg comes in, then the left leg goes forward. So a little faster than that. The counts are 7 and 8. If you're finding it difficult until you get it, you can just go 7 and 8. It's just the same. All right, now moving on, we are going to, let's do that from the beginning, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, walk, shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, step, walk, walk, shuffle, step, rock, recover, coaster, step. Now, moving on, we're going to do a modified rumba box. You're going to take the right foot to the side, bring the left foot in, and then do that step together step, going forward. Step together step. Now we're going to go to the left side, bring that foot together, and then we're going to take the left foot back, step together step. Step together step. So you notice if we go to the right first, we shuffle with the right foot, and then we go to the left, and we shuffle back with the left foot. Yes? So the counts for that are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side together, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, step. Walk, walk, shuffle, step, rock, recover, coaster, step. Side together, shuffle forward, side together, shuffle back. Got that right leg free, 2 walks back for me. 1, 2. Now you're going to do another coaster step, but this time it's with the right leg. Back, together, forward. So that is from the 2 walks back, right, left, right, left, right. With the counts, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going to finish it off with a stamp on 5 and heels 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. And we we started again. So let's go over. Let's go from the rumba box. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side together, shuffle, step. Side together, shuffle, back, back. 1, 2. Coaster, step, stamp, heel, heel, heel. From the top. Here we go. Ready? And walk, walk, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Walk, walk, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, coaster, step. Box, rumba, side and a shuffle. Forward, rumba, side and a shuffle. Back, walk, 1, 2, coaster, step, stomp, 2, 3, 4. With counts, 5, 6. Oh, just let me say, I haven't got that much room here, but when you do your rock, recover and your shuffle step, it moves forward. But if I keep on walking, then you won't be able to see me. But it walks, the shuffle step moves. Okay, here we go again. 5, 6, with the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do it this way. Ready? I'll move back a little bit so I can do the walks. And 1, 2, shuffle, step, rock, recover, shuffle, half a turn, walk. 1, 2, shuffle, step, rock, recover, coaster, step. Rumba box going forward, shuffle, left hand side and shuffle, back, back, coaster, step, stomp, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? Might take a few times to do it. You can just keep rewinding it. All right, I'm going to do it a couple of times now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Walk, walk, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, coaster, step. Rumba box to the side with a shuffle forward. To the side with a shuffle back. Walk, 1, 2, coaster, step. Stomp, 2, 3, walk. 1, 2, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, turn, shuffle, and walk, walk, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, coaster, step. Side together, shuffle forward. Side together, shuffle back. Walk, 1, 2, coaster, step. Stomp, 2, 3, 4. I love this song. Love Potion 666. Alrighty, so I'm going to go do it with the music now. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh, wait a minute, my battery's low. Let's just plug this in here. Oops, there we go. There we go. All right. Look, they're all caught in. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2.
Knocking on a midnight door.
from you. And I am going to make another video for you right now. All right. Love you all. Bye. Take care.